Wow, Ellie, you're already awake so early. What time is it?
It's 7. I like to start my day early.
7? That's too early for me. Why don't you sleep more?
Because I need some quiet time before work. I open the curtains and let the light in.
Open the curtains? You mean pull them back so the sunlight comes inside?
Yes, that's it. The light and fresh air help me wake up.
You sound very calm in the morning.
I try to be. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Cold water or warm?
Cold. It wakes me up faster. Then I look in the mirror and fix my hair.
Fix your hair? You mean comb or tie it up?
Exactly. I tie it into a small ponytail. After that, I go to the kitchen.
Do you cook breakfast every day?
Yes, almost every day. I boil water for tea and make toast.
What kind of tea do you drink?
Green tea. It's my favorite in the morning. The smell is soft and nice.
I wish I could smell it now.
You can come someday. I usually sit by the window and watch the street.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I see people walking their dogs, cars passing by, and I drink my tea slowly.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, I read a few messages. My mom always sends good morning.
That's sweet.
After breakfast, I wash the dishes and wipe the table.
You're very organized, Ellie.
I like clean spaces. It makes me feel ready for the day. Then I choose my clothes, jeans and a white t-shirt today.
Simple and perfect.
Thanks. I brush my hair again, put on light makeup, and open the window wider.
Fresh air in the morning is the best.
Yes, it makes me feel alive. Then I turn on my laptop and start work.
So your day starts quietly with tea, sunlight, and a clean table.
Exactly. That's my favorite way to begin the day.
Ellie, what do you do after breakfast?
I start my work. I sit at my desk, open my laptop, and check emails.
You work from home, right?
Yes, I do. It's quiet, but sometimes I miss people around me.
I know what you mean. Do you make coffee before work?
Always. Around 9, I make 1 cup. The smell fills the kitchen.
Strong coffee?
Not too strong. I add milk and a little sugar.
Nice.
I take my cup to the desk and look outside the window. The street is calm.
You really like mornings.
Yes, the light is soft and everything feels peaceful. I water my plants before I start.
Plants?
Yes, 3 small ones on the windowsill. They make my room fresh.
I always forget to water mine.
It's easy, just a little water and care.
So, what do you do exactly?
I write short articles for my team. Sometimes I edit texts, too.
Sounds interesting.
It is. I often listen to soft piano music while I work.
Do you take breaks?
Yes. Every 2 hours, I stand up, stretch, and walk around the apartment.
That's smart.
Sometimes I wash a few dishes just to move.
You even clean during breaks?
Only small things. It helps me think better.
You're very organized, Ellie.
Not always, but I try. My mornings are quiet, simple, and full of coffee.
That sounds nice.
It is. I like starting the day slowly, with light, music, and calm energy.
Ellie, do you go out during the day?
Sometimes, around noon, I like to take a short walk.
Where do you go?
Usually to the small supermarket near my building.
You walk there?
Yes, it's only 5 minutes away. The air feels nice after working all morning.
Do you buy a lot?
Not really, just vegetables, bread, milk, and maybe some fruit.
Healthy choices.
I try. I also buy a small treat sometimes, like chocolate.
That sounds fair. What's the supermarket like?
It's small but friendly. The cashier always smiles and says, "Have a nice day."
That's nice.
Yes, I like small places like that. They feel cozy.
What do you do after shopping?
I walk home slowly and look at the people around me.
Anyone interesting today?
A woman was walking two little dogs in sweaters. It made me smile.
That's cute.
Yes, it was. When I get home, I put the groceries away and open the window again.
Fresh air after walking?
Exactly. Then I make a quick lunch.
What do you cook?
Something simple, maybe soup or pasta.
Easy but good.
Yes. I eat at the table near the window. The light is warm and I hear birds outside.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. After lunch, I wash the dishes, tidy the kitchen, and feel ready for the afternoon.
Ellie, what do you do after lunch?
I go back to work for a few hours.
You don't get sleepy?
A little, but I drink water or stretch to stay awake.
Smart move. Do you work at the same desk?
Yes, I like that corner near the window. The sunlight keeps me focused.
Do you listen to music again?
Sometimes, but often I just enjoy the quiet. It helps me think better.
What time do you finish work?
Around 4. When I close my laptop, I always feel a little proud.
You should. Working alone takes discipline.
Thanks, Jason. After work, I clean my desk and open the window again.
Fresh air again?
Always. It feels like a small reset for my mind.
What do you do next?
I usually do laundry on some days.
Laundry? You mean washing clothes?
Yes, I put them in the washing machine and press the start button.
I like that soft sound it makes.
Me too. It's calming. While I wait, I sometimes read or listen to a podcast.
Nice way to relax.
When the laundry is done, I hang the clothes on the balcony. The air smells clean.
I love that smell of fresh clothes.
Same here. Then I water my plants again if the sun was strong.
You really care about them.
They make my place feel alive. When everything is done, I feel calm and ready for the evening.
Allie, what's your evening like after work?
It starts quiet. Around 6, I make dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Almost. Cooking helps me relax.
What did you make today?
Rice with vegetables and a little chicken. Simple, but good.
Sounds delicious. Do you eat alone?
Yes, but I play some music or watch a short video while I eat.
Doesn't it feel lonely sometimes?
Not really. I enjoy the calm. It's my time to slow down.
What do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes and wipe the table. I like when everything is clean again.
You always keep things tidy.
I try. A clean home makes me feel peaceful.
Do you ever go out in the evening?
Sometimes I walk around the block or buy something small from the shop.
Just for fresh air?
Yes, the city lights look beautiful at night. I like hearing people talking and laughing outside.
That sounds nice.
It is. When I come back, I make tea and sit on the sofa for a while.
Tea every night?
Yes, mint tea. It helps me relax. Then I call my mom or a friend and talk for a few minutes.
That's sweet.
It always makes me smile. Then I turn off the lights and enjoy the quiet before bedtime.
Do you go to bed early, Ellie?
Not too early, usually around 10. I like slow evenings.
What do you do before bed?
First, I take a shower. The warm water feels so good after a long day.
I know that feeling.
Then I brush my teeth and put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. Soft ones, right?
Yes, my favorite gray ones. They're so comfortable.
Do you read before sleeping?
Sometimes I like short stories or travel blogs.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Sometimes I just sit on the sofa with my tea and listen to the city sounds outside.
Like cars and people talking?
Yes, that mix of sounds makes me feel safe. It means the world is still moving.
Do you ever think about your day?
Always. I think about what I finished and what I'll do tomorrow.
You plan ahead, even at night?
Just a little. I write a few notes in my notebook.
That's smart.
It helps me sleep better when my mind feels clear. Then I turn off the light, close my eyes, and breathe slowly.
Quiet apartment, soft pillow, warm blanket.
Exactly. I like ending the day with calm. It makes tomorrow feel easier already.
Ellie, how do you feel when you wake up the next day?
Usually calm and ready. I like when the morning feels fresh.
Do you ever feel tired after working so much?
Sometimes, but good sleep helps. I open the curtains and smile at the sunlight.
So your routine starts again?
Yes, it's simple, but it keeps me happy.
Do you ever wish your days were different?
Maybe a little more adventure, but I like my quiet life.
I understand. Routine can be nice too.
It is. Every small thing matters. Tea in the morning, clean space, a short walk, a call from my mom.
That's a good way to live.
I think so. Life feels better when I enjoy small moments.
Do you ever take weekends off?
Yes, I meet friends or visit a cafe, but even then, I still clean my kitchen before leaving.
You really love order.
It makes me feel peaceful. I learned that calm starts at home.
That's true.
So tomorrow, I'll wake up, open the curtains, and do it all again with the same quiet joy.
You make routines sound beautiful.
Maybe it is. It's my little way to feel happy every day.